C. In C you have to add first and then subtract. So what you have to do first is 89,021 plus 1,23,786 minus 56,783. So there are two things we have to do, since there are three numbers given, three different numbers, so and two different operations. So let's see. C wala, okay beta? 89,021. Okay. Next number is plus 1,23,786. This is 6 digit. This is 5 digit, isn't it? So, okay, you can make this 6 digit by putting a 0 in the front. Okay. So ये 6 digit हो गया दोनों. Now we can add. 1 plus 6 7, 8 plus 2 10, 7 plus 1 8, 9 plus 3 12, 8 plus 2 is 10 and 1 11. So this becomes 2,12,807. Okay beta, this is my answer after adding these two. Now they are saying minus 56,000 from this now, है ना, दोनों का प्लस कर लिया. Now from this answer we have to subtract. Okay, what we have to subtract? 56,000. It is 56,000. So nothing in the lag, you can put 0. Okay, 56,783. Okay beta. So now we will subtract. 7 minus 3, 4. 0 minus 8, not possible. Make this 7, make this 10. Okay. 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 6, not possible. So 1 becomes 0. 1 में से निकाल लिया 1. So it becomes 0. We get 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 0 minus 5, not possible. So again, cut. This becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. And 1 minus 0, 1. So my answer is 1,56,024. Okay. So this is my final answer. I was told to add both, so I added. After that, I had to subtract, so I have subtracted from the answer. I get the final answer like this. Okay, beta? So this is how you are solving question number 1, A, B and C. Okay. Next we move on to question number 2, that is choose the appropriate operation symbols plus or minus to get the given answer. Now here they have given questions and answers also, but they have not given what they want or what they have done. Okay, उन्होंने प्लस किया या माइनस वो नहीं दिया है. Okay, so we have to find out कि whether they have added or subtracted. Okay, how to do that? कैसे पता चलेगा? You have to see the answer. Okay. Now see, okay, I'll do it here. Now say I have two numbers, 2, 8. Okay, I did something, plus या तो minus किया. Okay, and I get the answer 10. Okay, again I have 2 and 8, but this time my answer, or 1 minute, let's write like this. Here my answer is 6. Okay, now you tell me, यहाँ पर 8, 2 तो आंसर 10 आ गया. यहाँ पे भी 8 into पर आंसर 6 आ गया. Why? My answer here is greater because I added. समझ में आया? Whenever you add numbers, the answer will be bigger. बड़ा हो जाएगा आंसर. But when I subtract, answer becomes smaller. समझ में आया? So when I look at the answer, I can say whether we have added or subtracted by just looking at the numbers. Okay? अगर आंसर बड़ा है तो you have added. अगर आंसर छोटा हो रहा है तो you have subtracted. So let's see the first one here. 47,890 is my number. Next number given is 21,850. Okay? Answer is 26,040. Okay. Now you have to look at the answer. Answer is 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit. Okay. Then check. Answer is 26,000. Here it is 21,000 and here it is 47,000. 47,000 is the greatest of all the three. 47,000 is the greatest. It is here. मतलब ये बड़ा है. From that a number is subtracted and my answer is getting smaller. छोटा हो गया. 47,000 से छोटा है 26, isn't it? So क्या हुआ होगा? Minus. Okay? From the bigger number, my smaller number is subtracted and so my answer becomes smaller than this bigger number. Now you have to solve and see. Okay? Don't only write minus. You have to solve and prove it. So arrange and solve and see whether you get this same answer. Okay? 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 8, 0, 7 minus 1, 6, 4 minus 2, 2. So my answer is matching. So this is correct. Okay? Getting me? So you have to do this also. Okay? You have to verify your answer. Check your answer by doing whatever you are telling me here. प्लस माइनस जो भी आप बोल रहे हो वो आपको करके भी दिखाना है इन नोटबुक. ओके बेटा? सो दिस इज हाउ आई वांट यू टू वेरीफाई योर आंसर्स इन क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, सी एंड डी. दिस यू विल डू ऑन योर ओन. बड़ा नंबर कहाँ है देखो. ओके? बड़ा नंबर अगर दिस साइड तो इट इज माइनस. अगर बड़ा नंबर इस साइड पे है इक्वल टू के इट इज प्लस. ओके बेटा? सो इन दिस वे आई वांट यू टू डू इट. ओके?